today it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna start this video. Today we're gonna be installing some wheels and tires. Right now I'm heading to the shop. I have my friend in the back with this truck. We have the wheels loaded and the tires. We're gonna go into the shop and get them mounted. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of shots of how it looks right now. I'm pretty sure you already seen it in my videos, but I'm gonna show you again how it looks and then head out to the shop and then just see the difference. And it should be a good change, a positive change. So see you there. Here it is. This is the before. Here's the red calipers. I didn't make a video for it. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it or not, but I mean, just let me know what you think. I should upload that video. I do have it. I'll probably just upload it for you. Like, you know, this is plastic dip. But I made up my mind and I'm gonna be changing to the 1LE rims or wheels, however you want to call it. The truck where we have it mounted. One with the Firehawks. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing 305s in the rear, 285s up front. Also the wheels are already inside the truck. He's part of the Team Royalty, so there you go, a little shout out for Team Royalty. Here's Pedro, that's the guy who's gonna help me out. He has it loaded right here. There you go. And that's his little cousin right there. Alright, let's head out to the shop. We just left the car in the shop, so we'll be back in a couple of hours and see how the final result on the new wheels on them. So keep you updated. Pedro, this is his truck. What year is it, Pedro? 2020, he said. I don't know about that. Okay, a sticker right here. Like we said, Team Royalty. It's part of the Team Royalty crew here in West Texas. There you go. I'm trying not to show off his license plate, but there you go. Looks good. And we're just waiting. See whenever they give me a call for the car. That's all we're waiting for. I can't wait to see it, and I can't wait to record for y'all more content and just give y'all cool things to add to the car. And the whole point of the channel to motivate people to upgrade their cars. You know, I know it's a V6 and a lot of people don't want to upgrade V6s just for the fact that they're a V6, but I'm here to tell y'all that you can upgrade. It doesn't matter what people say. At the end of the day, it's until you like it. So I'll update y'all whenever I'm heading down to the shop. Guys, when we're heading down to the shop, they already gave us the call, so we're gonna go and check out our new wheels on our Camaro. Alright guys, here it is. I just got it. Look how that looks. Damn, that looks really good. Made the car look much better. I'm happy. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks great. I'll do more here in a bit. Let me go ahead and go inside and talk to the guy. Alright guys, well here's the wheel. Here's how the tire looks. Yeah, I already drove on it. So it is, I mean, right now I'm in a little dirt, so they are kind of dirty, but I mean, just look at that. The caliper really looks good in there. Gives it a really good look. Everything else is the same. Damn, this looks really good. I fell in love with them. So there you go, guys. It's gonna be 20 times 11 right here and 20 times 10 here. All right, that's the width of the wheel. 285s and then 305s in the rear. And that fitment, just for you could look, that fitment is really good. You see, I mean, I might and I probably will, so just stay. I'm gonna have to get some rock guards here, because I heard that right here you'll get some chips later on with all those rocks just pushing in this way. So I will get a rock guard right here for them, in case you're wondering, because I don't want any chips all over my paint. Now let me show you this side. It's the exact same thing. But just look how this is going. This is one of the new things I got too. the gas cap. It's a Camaro. It's actually metal, so I like how that looked. Gives it a little bit more of a black. So let me know what you think I should do next. Any comments, suggestions. So I want to say thank you to Pedro, he's the guy that let me use this truck to be able to be transporting these wheels and tires. And I also want to give a special thanks to Oscar. Oscar's the guy that taught me a lot of the wheels, the offsets, a lot of the stuff, and tires, which ones to buy, which ones are bad. I mean, he taught me a lot. So there you go, guys. I think this is gonna be it for the video.